Domino. If you stay, I don't care how you hurt me. Fate has made you so. You can't change, I know. You can't change, though you try. But then neither can I, Domino.
You stood there thinking you were all that, and I did too. You took too long to step to me, so I just stepped to you.
Who am I fooling besides myself? She sees straight through me. I wish I could as well.
But it's not useful now, since we both made up our minds. You're gonna watch out for yourself, and so will I.
Figure me out, figure me out. I tried as well, ain't no thing to tap out. Sometimes it rains and it pours and you pout. Just go put on a heater, take a load off on the couch.
Do you like love? Do you like love? Yeah, me too, me too, me too. It's what we're gonna do. So of course I miss you and I miss you bad. But I also felt this way when I was still with you. Yes, of course I miss you and I miss you bad. But I also felt this way when I was still with you.
I'll be your clown behind the glass. Go ahead and laugh, 'cause it's funny. I would too if I saw all the words we say end up distorted. From skin break to heartache without warning. And you don't mean it and I don't either. We get so close to being defeated by circumstance. Do we stand a chance?
Nobody thinks what you think, no one. Empathy might be on the brink of extinction. They will play a game and say they know what you're going through. When I tried to come up with a narcissistic way to say they don't know you, and neither do I. So here's a prime example of a stand-up guy who hates what he believes and loves it at the same time. Here's my brother and his head screwed up, but that's alright.
The stars will keep on falling for the ones who wish at night. The mountains won't start moving and the rivers won't run dry. The world will always be there, and so will I.
Presidential delays. Suppose I'm just lucky. I'm having a shindig. Me, Red Bob, and the Ivory House and someone shouting on the box. A chinless prefect gone Godzilla. My newest friends have forgotten my name, but so have I. So far, so good at home.
Beautiful the one, beautiful the one, beautiful the one who walks freely. I would as well if I could. I would as well if I could.
I had 15-year dances, church basement romances, yeah, I've got. Spilling my guts with the Bowery bums is the only love I've ever known.
is set for the stage, which I also call home when I'm not. Serving up God in a burnt coffee pot for the triad.
And I can't get enough of everything that you are. I've fallen oh so hard, oh so far.
I feel the same way. You take my breath away.
Oh, me too, baby.
And my love, the she